Hey, how's it going, fam? Thanks for tuning in. This is another episode of Growing Kush with me, SilkySlim416. Your friendly neighborhood Kushman. Yeah, and in this episode, it's the moment you've been waiting for. Yeah, maybe the moment I've been waiting for. The official unboxing of the new KS5000 LEDs from ViparSpectra. Yeah, they were kind enough to send out 2 of their LED units to me, so I'm going to be unboxing them. I'm not going to be wasting your time with the blah blah blah, so make sure you don't go nowhere. Make sure you stay tuned. How's it going, fam? Welcome back. So, as I mentioned, and as you can see from the title, we're about to do the unboxing for the KS5000 LEDs from ViparSpectra, alright? I don't know very much about these LEDs, so I'm not going to waste my time trying to tell you all the specs and everything. It should just be on the screen somewhere here, maybe down there. I don't know. It's going to be on the screen somewhere, alright? So let's just get to opening up these boxes and see what they send out to me, alright? Just grab a chair here. And yeah, we'll just open up one of these boxes first. They're both going to be exactly the same. And yeah, let's go. I'm excited. Like a kid on Christmas Day. I've been waiting. I've had these LEDs for probably about a month now. They sent them out to me and they made me promise not to show anybody these LEDs until March, alright? So yeah, it's a little bit before March, but I figured I should get this video ready for y'all, alright? So let's get to it, okay? Tried to make this look smooth through editing, but ViparSpectra, they packed this shit really good. Holy, look at this. Oh, god damn. Got some heavy duty staples up in this, and oh, I really don't care about the packaging or the wrapping. I'm just excited. I want to see these new LEDs, these new KS5000 LEDs, alright? Look like we got any staples here? Alright, let's get to it. What other grow channel on the internet provides this much drama and excitement? Woo! There we go. There we go. I like that. That looks nice. That looks nice. I haven't even taken the styrofoam off, but this looks nice. Ooh. ViparSpectra, you guys certainly outdid yourself this time. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let's just take this box out of here. I'm all fidgety. I'm all doing some beefed up shit. Let's put this over like this. Woo! This is nice. We didn't even see the LED panel as yet. We haven't even seen the LED panel as yet. The new KS5000 LED. Yeah, they were kind enough to send out the instruction manual. They even sent out, what is this? What is this? Some stickers. Woo. Thank you very much, ViparSpectra, for this KS5000 LED unit. All right, let's just take this styrofoam off the side here. See if we can open this up and take a look at the LED panels on this unit. Woo! This is certainly a heavy duty build. The construction, the materials, everything looks like it is some high quality heavy duty shit. This is the one right here. I think ViparSpectra, they hit this one out the park with this LED right here. The new KS5000 LED. Yeah. We got a whole bunch of other stuff here inside of this box. So let's just let's just open up this box over here and we'll see exactly what we got under here. I'm sure it's just like the cables and what have you, but let's just see what's inside here. Okay. All right. Let's see, let's take a looky-loo. Okay. Yeah. The driver from this LED, we got some clips, got some power cords. Yeah, we got some, look at this, some adjustable rope hangers. ViparSpectra certainly did their thing with this LED. Let's look at this driver. Holy! This shit right here. This is sturdy. Woo. Got our dials on the side right here. That's nice. Could attach these LEDs together, separate units. Okay. Looking nice. Yeah, the new KS5000 LED from ViparSpectra. I hope you guys are enjoying the show so far, but I'm gonna stop with all the talking and we're gonna try and hook these lights up inside of my 4x8 grow tent right now. Currently I have two XS4000 LEDs inside of my grow tent, in my 4x8 grow tent, but we're gonna take those out and we're gonna put these in, all right? So here we are in my grow room, right in front of my 4x8 grow tent, and as you can see I have my XS4000 LED units from ViparSpectra. They have been doing a marvelous job with all of my plants. I got to admit, I've been loving them. Once again, if you guys are trying to save some dollars and you're in the market for a new budget LED, by all means go down below to my description box, find all the Amazon links for ViparSpectra, and don't forget to use my promo code SilkySlim. Yeah, save yourself some dollars. Yeah, that is if you are looking for any of these older model LEDs from ViparSpectra, because as of today with this new KS5000 LED, we're gonna have a new promo code. So make sure if you are in the market for a KS5000 LED from ViparSpectra, you use my promo code SilkySlim416. Yes. So let's just get to taking down these LEDs. Should be quick, and we're gonna see how quick we could set up the new KS5000s. All right? Yeah. Let's get started. Alright, so ViparSpectra, they sent out the adjustable rope hangers with these LEDs, so we're just going to use these new ones which they sent out, and we're going to slap it onto this KS5000. No need to even look at the instruction manual. Why would you? Why would you look at the instruction manual? So we'll open this up. I'm sure there's an easier way of doing this, which is in a limited space, but how about I just figure out how to slap these hooks in and get them inside of my tent while I'm downstairs, and I'll just show you the finished product while they're inside the tent, okay? How about that? Yeah. So like I had mentioned, didn't have enough space inside of my grow room to actually open up this LED light and attach my hanging hooks and the driver and all that shit, so we're gonna do it in my other bedroom here. And I just opened up my LED unit flat onto the floor, taking one hook, slapping it in there, taking the other hook, slapping it in there. So basically it's just gonna be hanging from the top of my grow tent just like this. Pretty straightforward. So I'm probably gonna hang this up first, and then I'm gonna keep my driver outside of the tent so I could reduce the amount of heat which is building up in my tent. and I'm just gonna attach these hooks, or sorry, attach these adapters to my driver, and then as you can see, my driver is on the floor over there. The other two blue tipped end cords, those are gonna attach into the actual LED unit, and the other end, that's gonna end up getting plugged into the wall so that you can supply this with energy. So let's go hang this LED and get this plugged in, all right? Bitch up in here. So this is pretty simple to do. It's just a limited space inside of my grow room, which has made this quite difficult, but as you can see, I'm pretty much doing this all with one hand. Just gonna take my hook, do that, and switch hands, put it back in, bang! Take the other end, we're gonna do the same shit. Find the cord. Kind of want to be gentle with this, but you know, one person working with one hand. Okay. So it's in there. It's in there. All right. Okay. All right. That seems about the right height. Get up out of here. Bring this down just a bit. Lower this fan. Actually, maybe I should bring this fan a little bit higher. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Let's just get this LED light plugged in here. Okay. Like that. Okay, so got our driver now. Try and plug our driver in. So the cool thing that I noticed about this LED, you could actually keep the driver inside of your grow tent, actually hang it, suspend it a little bit higher than your lights or off in the corner somewhere, or you could actually just keep it outside of your grow tent and it eliminates some of the heat which radiates off of the driver itself, all right? So I'm actually going to keep the driver outside of my grow tent, and we'll see how that works, okay? So, just finished hooking up our driver to our LED unit, and about to plug this bad boy in and see what it could do, alright? So, let's see what happens once we plug this in. Woo! Okay, ViparSpectra's got me styling out here right now, alright? This light is bright as fuck. Woo! My plants is gonna be loving this new KS5000 LED. And if you look at the difference between the KS5000 LED compared to the KS4000 LED, you can see it's a big improvement. All right. So yeah, definitely, if you are in the market for a new KS5000 LED, make sure you go down below to my description box, find all the new Amazon links for ViparSpectra's KS5000 LED, and don't forget to use my promo code SilkySlim416. Yes! Save yourself some dollars. I can't get enough of this. I can't wait to slap the other light up inside of this tent, and this tent is going to be bright as fuck. So this is my official unboxing for the new KS5000 for ViparSpectra LED. I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode. If you did, make sure you go down below, hit that thumbs up like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you know when I drop the next episode. Yeah, I've mentioned the new promo code for the KS5000. I've done the unboxing. We've slapped one of them up in the tent. I think the only thing left to do is end this episode right here and keep it sweet and short, and make sure you guys stay tuned for the next one because we're going to be doing another unboxing very shortly with a giveaway. Alright, so I'll see y'all next time, and this is another episode of Rolling Kush with me, SilkySlim416. Yeah. Woo.
You can never get bigger than the culture. You serve the culture. We are servants first. We serve the culture.